That's sick.
A fini. A fini.
Blowing up power steering pumps. We are unboxing everything that we've been ordering from Japan for the last couple months in preparation for our pop-up shop. So yeah, we're gonna do inventory, verify the sizes are accurate, make sure it's all in good condition, and then get it on our website. Is coming soon, so you can actually see it before August 27th.
Where are we?
We're at Drive Studios. This place is the best.
Oh, coming soon. Coming soon. What's this?
Kind of a neat little feature. Basically, it's just like little hang tags we're including with all of our items. It's kind of a little thank you as well note on there, you know, for supporting us.
Pretty dope.
Yeah. That's all of it.
Keeping this one for myself.
What is it?
It's a Grex. It looks like a brake rotor, but it's an ashtray.
Yo, that's sick.
That's so sick. I want to keep this.
That's
Smoke
tight.
cigarette.
Sarah, how much are you getting paid an hour here?
$5 million an hour.
We're rich. Alex. Let's tell the subscribers, how much are we paying our staff here?
Everybody makes $10,000 a day because there's no point in doing something unless you're making a lot of money.
Staff.
Staff. That's staff. They're really rich because of Checkpoint.
We just married these people so we could have staff. No way does it. Oh, it does say staff.
Staff.
How much for that? 10 bucks?
About 12.
Team.
No, it's just ATF.
It's just ATF, right? Dextron 2, right?
Why would you need that?
Yeah, I can confirm.
Or it says Dextron 2 or Dextron 3 automatic transmission fluid. I'm having a stroke because I just looked up ToyotaClub.net, all the technical stuff on the Alphard, and it's like all of the like specifications for every fluid and power steering. It says power steering fluid.
Yeah.
Like for the automatic transmission, it's like ATF type T-1V, or like transfer case, it's like Toyota Hypoid Gear Oil SX AP1, and then like for power steering, it's like power steering fluid. It's This is why I'm having a stroke about power steering fluid. I pulled the Alphard out of my parking stall, and yeah, I soup kitchened my parkade for the second time of this year. I thought it was oil at first, and I tripped balls, but thankfully it's just power steering fluid. So
Nice.
Not wrong yet though. We're gonna figure that out tomorrow and hopefully get it on the road for touring on Saturday.
Yeah, we will. Who's modeling today, Buffy?
Buffy.
Not me. Shoddy not.
Isn't this your
Harley, Sarah?
What?
Who's modeling?
Not me. I don't dress up to the nines for this event.
Just up to the nines.
Looks like it's Alex again.
Yep.
Mr. Armani Exchange Beard.
Armani Exchange, yep.
Dope.
Can't go up, right?
Lots of banking Formula 1 stuff. Dope. See?
I was literally looking at this shirt like I want to buy this.
We know.
That's sick.
How do you know?
Let's see the back. Let's see the back.
There's nothing on the back. Do you have a Honda?
Sandra, you set that back at large.
Good luck. It's the green one.
Is it green?
It's the green one.
Racing equipment. Yep. Very good.
Wait.
GTR heavy jacket, reversible, large.
You always be visible. It just... Look at this. Have you ever seen something so beautiful in your life?
God, I'm good.
Sports spirit.
I'm impartial to MJ.
Okay.
I wanted it, and I think it's like
Do it.
absolutely.
Alex, don't cancel.
I love that.
Don't say things that are gonna happen, okay?
We spent all of our earnings.
Yeah, we're gonna spend all of our money on an animated cartoon.
Thanks.
There's gonna be one episode. Yeah. It's gonna be a pilot. That's how it's gonna go. You're gonna buy our stuff at the pop-up shop. We're gonna make bank. We're gonna use that bank to animate a cartoon of ourselves in a music video, and then we're gonna fall off, and you'll never see us again.
From Iona Beach.
From Iona Beach.
Just film the whole thing in Iona and then animate it.
What song are we gonna use?
I own this.
Dude, Iona. Yeah, just gotta, oh, fucking hell.
Kanskje avskritt. Så jeg gir meg for jeg gjør det med skjørt på det. Nei, husen altså ser ut mye was det ut the way no we were off the. If you buy things, maybe I can get more shoes.
Freak out the lights.
24/7.
Yeah, I haven't used the 24-70 a bunch yet.
It's awesome.
Delete your rearview mirror and just speak to myself in here. You can see me. Oh, there I am. That's so sick. All right.
It's like the best lens. Oh, look at this.
Oh yeah, check that out.
Oh.
Yeah, today this actually went live on the website today, but that doesn't mean anything to you because I don't know when this video is ever going to come out. But anyways, that air freshener's on our website, and so is a different one. It might be too. Oh, that's not too dark. Look at that. That's our other air freshener design that's live. That guy is sandalwood, and this one smells like fresh air. Tell me what's going on with your E36.
Selling it.
What's next?
Well, hopefully I'd like to get into like a Celica Supra XX. Yeah, fires right up every like 16th try.
These are Sam's tires?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's time for something 80s and Japanese, hey?
Yeah. Some overnight parts from Japan. $60,000.
No, it was cool. It had the right bones, had some good parts on it. It's got cool ass wheels.
Yeah.
Cool ass wheels that you might be able to buy somewhere neat on August 27th, maybe.
That's literally it.
Yeah,
we're at Apple Valley Speedway.
Oh, that's so sick. Look at that. Yo, what's going on? What up? How you doing, man? It's good? It's good? This is so sick. So many Toyotas. That's so sick. Toyota definitely knew what they were doing when it came to headlights that moved. For this car, yeah.
That's sick. Look at the pattern on the seats, Alex.
I know. Cloth's way better than leather in my opinion.
Oh, 100%.
Oh, 100%, yeah.
That is so cool looking.
So for like 22R or like 5M, does that sit like pretty low? What's the subframe and stuff?
Not as bad.
Okay.
It's like very like livable for sure. The separate spacers, I can't fit ITBs on this.
It's aluminum oil pan.
It's actually steel.
Really?
Yeah. So
okay.
it can take some hits.
Yeah, yeah, that's cool.
I'm a little bit anal about that.
Show me these folding stairs.
Can you fold them out? Could you imagine if someone folded them in, you were upstairs and they just left?
Yeah.
Cool, alright. We're at Rude's place. Mr. Dude is nowhere to be found, so we have to keep ourselves busy while we wait for Keith and Rude to show up for us to film. So Dylan has this cool drone case. It looks like a case for something else. We want to make sure that people don't think it's a case for something else that I can't mention on YouTube without us getting in trouble. So yeah, we're gonna cover it in stickers that we've gotten from you guys and have sort of started to run out of space on the van. We don't really want to put like 46 quadrillion stickers on the van because it's beginning to get a little cluttered. So yeah, next step is to start putting stuff on the drone case. We've got this really cool Fantasy Works sticker. That one came from the guys and girls that built that crazy Kaido Racer EF Civic that you would have seen in our summer touring video. Yeah, Zach, Shee, Cynthia, and Scott. They built that car. It's the same as the yellow one from our New Year's touring video, and then they styled it up with a total redesign 1 week before summer touring. So that car's sweet. Fantasy Works is their name for that, so they made these really cool looking stickers. I love the design and the colorway, so I'm glad Dylan put that on there. We've got an extra one. I think we might sneak this one onto the van at some point too. But yeah, we've been collecting a pretty decent chunk of stuff over the last little while, and figured that instead of just posting on our Instagram story, we'd throw it in this vlog so we can thank all you guys individually. So we've got more air fresheners and stickers from Austin at Never Content. His cousin Ryan actually hooked us up with a bunch of their
cool slap sticker designs when we were at WECFest. That was super nice. I love that. Love his S13 in Japan. These designs are super cool as well. I think, actually no, I know Mame Ozizo from Japan actually did all these designs, and then he turned them into slaps, which are super sick. Ozizo's most recognizable thing is the little characters that he puts in all the cars, and I love that. Super cute. That was so nice.
We got fans.
We got fans, man. All right, next up, Matt Young's dad. Classic not good Norman sticker. Yeah, if you know, you know. I don't think he's selling these anymore, which is kind of sad, but we love these. There's a not good Norman sticker on the back of the van, so we're gonna put one on the drone case as well. Drive Marketing. These are the guys that own the studio that we shoot all of our product inventory photos and stuff at, and do a bunch of our meetings at.
See it in this video somewhere.
Oh, yeah, actually, yeah, that's a good point. You'll probably either before or after this have already seen it or are going to see it, so that's cool. Yeah, definitely gotta rep that. Hata Gallery, 1998. This is Lance Pan's thing. He's one of the Team Sexy Cowboys guys. He's got a little blog that he writes in. It's kind of like a photojournalism blog. It's really cool. Lance has awesome style. He actually has gone to school and got a master's degree in something that's led him to do automotive design, so that's pretty sweet, and it definitely shows that he's got a good understanding of the 80s, 90s Japanese subcultures and just the way they designs things. So these are sweet. I don't think this will fit on the drone case, but this definitely will. Oh, my buddy Angel from Los Angeles hooked me up with these. It's two of his many cars he's got in his collection. The FD on Blitz 03s and his FC drift car. Love these. Love the little cartoon designs. It's pretty rad. Definitely put those on. And then our buddy Jude hooked us up with these after WECFest as well. He's the guy with that really cool vinyl wrapped AW11 MR2, the green one. He yeah, sent us a care package from his brand, which is Retro Tengoku. And he actually wrote us a super nice note, which I'm not going to read, but if you remember from that video, our buddy Paul was wearing a huge hat, so there's a huge hat Paul drawing on there, as well as a cool little picture of our Alphard, which I thought was super thoughtful of him. He's a great designer. Again, guy with just excellent style, so he hooked us up with a bunch of cool stickers from his catalog. Love, again, similar to Lance's ethos, like a really good understanding of 80s and 90s Japanese themes. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, I love this guy's stuff. Super low power guarantee. Maybe we should put that one on the Alphard. And then, what else we got here? Oh, we've got classic bunch of Serial 9 slaps. As always, they support everything that we do, and we love them, and they're local, so that's sick. And then Dylan got this from Don Musk. And where the hell is he? Poland?
I fucking have no idea.
He's somewhere in Europe. He's super sick. This guy manages to make a bunch of different crazy BMW parts that actually make BMWs look cool instead of boring. And he's got a crazy S14 as well that I'm pretty sure he tows with like some slammed 7 series. So look up Don Musk on Instagram if you haven't already seen his stuff. It's really cool. But yeah, we're gonna fire some of this stuff on the drone case.